Now AT&T is sending out replacement phones to people still using 3G only models. Watch this video to know how and you may be qualified to receive a free phones from AT&T. This is Variety Stick, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up and let's find out. AT&T shut down its 2G network in January 2017, and it's preparing to do the same thing with the 3G network in February 2022. However, some of its subscribers still have 3G only phones, so the company is offering a free replacement. Subscribers are supposed to ask for one if they want it, but the carrier seems to have taken a proactive approach and sending out replacement phones whether the people ask for them or not. And they are not that bad phones either. Some have received Samsung Galaxy Note 9, other Note 10 or S9, another still Galaxy A11, and its electric mix to see the last. Android police reached out AT&T to ask what is going on and got the following response. AT&T says, "We have not charged our plans to replace 3G network dependent device, however inventory contains mean we have sometimes must find substitutes for some devices." In other words, the carrier is sending out random phones because that is what they have in stock, and they considering some of those are quite old. Samsung Galaxy S9 from early 2018, they will have probably sittings in the warehouse somewhere for a while. As who gets that? It's lottery. Although even the Galaxy A11 for free is the good deal. Now I will have a checklist in the description box where people can check the phones that's still good in AT&T. Now if you don't find your phone in this list and you have a 3G phone, you may be qualified for AT&T phones. Now there is a check for all the phones include VoLTE and 4G, which is still compatible with the network. AT&T is shutting down the 3G that has no VoLTE. I have a list, I'll leave it in the description box, you guys can check it out. It has all the phones that's still compatible with AT&T. Now if you don't find your phone with this checklist, you have to ask AT&T if you are qualified or not. Simply, if you have AT&T, dial 611 and contact one of their representative. And as I said, if you haven't received anything as of right now, this program will be continue till 2022. And that was very much it for that video. I wish you guys find this video helpful for you. If it did, you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos in the future. Thank you so much again. We'll talk to you in the next video.